Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about two-dimensional figures. Now make sure that you have day 7 and we're going to get started. So for number 1 it says use a protractor to measure each angle in these triangles, okay? Well, on the STAR test you're not actually going to get to use a protractor, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to just be using our knowledge of angles like acute, obtuse, and right, and we're going to use that knowledge and we're going to estimate, okay? So which statement about the triangles is true? It says they are both right triangles. Okay, so a right triangle means that it has to equal 90 degrees, okay? Now let's say that you don't have a way of measuring it, like you don't have a protractor, okay? So the best way to do it is to just get a regular piece of paper. And do you see how every piece of paper has 4 corners? Okay, this is one corner right here. Well, if you notice this corner, this is actually a right angle. It's exactly 90 degrees, okay? So you can use this corner, and I'm going to measure to see if this is 90 degrees. And it is, okay? So now I'm going to use the same paper and I'm going to measure the other one over here because this one is the one that looks like it's 90 degrees. So you can get a paper and measure it, and that's also 90 degrees. So I can put my little symbol that represents 90 degrees, which is making a little square right here, okay? So this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees, which means it's a right. So are they both right triangles? Yes, they are. This is true. Okay. Letter B, it says they are both acute triangles. Okay, well, if they're both acute, that means all of them are less than 90 degrees, which is not. So this is an acute triangle, or sorry, not acute triangle. This is an acute angle right here, and this is an acute angle, and this is an acute angle, and this is an acute angle, but these are a right triangle, and this is a right angle. So this is actually false. Letter C, triangle A is acute and triangle B is right. Okay, well, we already said that's false because this is a right and this is a right. They are both right. And letter D, triangle B is acute and triangle A is right. That is also false. So A is the only one that's true. Number 2. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides and 4 right angles. Based on these facts, is this quadrilateral a rectangle? Okay, so let's see. It says 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, well, this is parallel to this, so those are parallel, that's one pair, and these are parallel to this, so that's also another pair of parallel. So this one is true, so that part is right. And then it says it has 4 right angles. Okay, well, this is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle, and this is a right angle. So actually that part is true too. So we know that it's a yes, so we can get rid of G and we can get rid of J. So let's see. It says yes because both opposite sides are perpendicular. Okay, well, it says here that it was 2 pairs of parallel sides, not perpendicular. So that's not right, which means H has to be correct. Number 3. Macy classifies the figure below as a rhombus. Which of the following statements helps to justify Macy's classification? All right, so it says AB, which is this one right here. So is parallel to BC, which is this one right here. Well, that's false. Okay, because they intersect. So now I gotta erase that. Okay, now let's keep going to the next one. AD, which is this one right here, is perpendicular to BC, which is this one right here. Okay, so perpendicular means that they have to cross and they have to make a right angle, okay? And these don't even touch, so that's not right. So that has to be false. And let's erase that and start the next one. Okay. AB, which is this one right here, is parallel to DC, which is this one right here. And that is true. We found our answer, which means this is false. Parallel means opposite like this, and they never touch. All right, number 4. Ivan sorts 6 polygons into 2 groups as shown. Ivan has 1 more polygon to sort. Into which group should Ivan place the additional polygon? All right, so let's see. These are polygons with no obtuse angles, and these are polygons with obtuse angles. So let's see. This one is acute, this one is acute, and this one is a right. So that means it has to go over here because it does not have any obtuse. None of them are obtuse. So we know we can get rid of this and this. So let's see letter A. Group A, because the polygon has a pair of perpendicular sides. Okay. Well, it does have perpendicular sides, but over here, none of these are perpendicular, so it can't be that one. So it has to be J. And we're done.